Alright guys, so these are the top 3 methods that I use when applying any type of ghillie crafting mesh to a suit or a rifle wrap, etc. So first off, we're going to be actually using the adaptive ghillie mesh here that I went over. As I mentioned in the last video, the AGM is actually zip tied at the top out of by the manufacturer, and I'm going to just comb it out and I'm going to snip it off of the end here, which I'll show you how to do. So I just roll it off here. So I'm going to grab the AGM from right here, grab it by the top, and I'm going to take my scissors, and all I'm going to do is just snip at a very narrow angle upwards. Oh, I missed some there. That's okay. Toss it there. Snipping at a very upwards angle. Boom. Now we have a bunch of AGM there ready to roll. Alright, so you may be wondering how many pieces of AGM or crafting material should you use on the suit. So for me personally, I like to use 3. I think that's like a pretty good number of mesh to use. So I'm going to use 3 right now. And basically all I do is I stack 3. You can use 4 or even 5. I think 5 is a little excessive. I think that 3 is the sweet spot, but 4 doesn't hurt. So we're going to stack 3 on top of each other, just like so. Alright guys, so first off, when you do go to attach the mesh to a suit, what you're going to do is take your brown 2.5mm cable tie, you're going to poke it through the suit like so, and I like to just keep the cable tie resting right in here, poked through. So the cable tie has been poked through 2 holes and it is sitting on the suit just like so. So now I'm going to take 3 pieces of my AGM, 1, 2, and 3. And all I'm going to do is literally take the middle and pinch. So I'm going to pinch it into a little bow like this. And what I'm going to do is place it over top of the cable tie. I'm going to take the cable tie and I am going to fasten the cable tie down. And I'm not going to do it all the way, okay? So we're going to cable tie this down and we're going to leave a few clicks so it's not fully clipped on there super tight. Now next what I do is I split the bow up. So I'm taking the bow and I'm splitting it up into each way here. So splitting it up. And what this is actually doing is creating a little flower looking bud. So just a really natural piece of veg. And as you can see, the bow is kind of going out in all directions. And this just covers a little more surface area. So you do actually use a little less of the AGM material. After you've adjusted the bow, you can then proceed to click the cable tie all the way down. And I always recommend to keep the ends of the cable ties unsnipped. So you can, go and add a piece of artificial vegetation. Let's say it's this Novritsch LC2 leaf. You can actually take the leaf and place it over top of the cable tie. And check this out. Now we have the AGM underneath an actual leaf right here by Novritsch. So we're going to slip this out and I'm going to show you another way to attach the suit. Now, if you don't want to attach a leaf on here, all you would do is just take the cable tie and snip it. Now you have your AGM attached to your suit. Alright, so next up we have the basic bud. So I'm going to attach another cable tie through here. Super easy. Bring that through. And I'm going to grab my 3 pieces of AGM. 1, 2, and 3. Now what I'm going to do, I have my 3 pieces of AGM. I'm actually going to pinch the middle here. So I'm going to come right in here and I'm pinching all 3 right in the middle. As you can see right here, I've just pinched right in the middle. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a little twist. And I'm going to flower that out. And check out what this has done. It's created like a little bud looking natural piece of vegetation when I brush it out. So what you're going to do is, again, twist the bottom here. And you're going to attach this little bottom to the cable tie. So I'm going to do that right now. So simply zip tie it on here. Nice and secure, and you can zip tie this all the way down, and then I'm going to flower this out like so. So as you can see, it looks like more of like a flower, which is really neat. Alright, so the third and last technique is actually using an Airsoft BB like we have right here. So what you're going to do is, this is another bud technique. So we're going to grab 3 pieces of AGM. These ones are kind of small. So we got 1, 2, and 3 pieces of AGM. And what I'm going to actually do is take my Airsoft BB. I'm going to place it in the middle of the AGM right there. And I'm just going to wrap the AGM around this Airsoft BB like so. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a little bud, but the BB is right inside of here at the bottom of the bud. I'm going to give it one twist. And what I should have done is placed a cable tie in, but that's okay. I'm going to place a little cable tie in here. So now we have the BB at the bottom, and all I'm going to do is just cable tie around that BB. I'm going to give it one twist, and then I'm going to cable tie so the BB is on the right side or left side of the cable tie, and then the mesh is pinched in between, and the BB will keep the shape of the bud and just make it a little easier to attach the bud in there. And now I'm going to kind of flower it out. And now I can go through and I can snip the tops of these cable ties. A little technique for snipping the tops of ties, just so you don't cut any of the AGM or leaves that are attached, is I go to the top here, I clamp the scissors down slightly, and then I just pull the scissors down to the bottom, snip, done. Then you have your excess cable tie there. I'm going to do the same thing here. Boom, done. So here we have our 3 different techniques for attaching the halo screen mesh to our suit. One thing I will mention here as well is that some of these pieces of AGM are just too long. Like, they just look a little too unnatural. They're too long. What I like to do is I like to snip upwards at like a very narrow angle. So I'm going to snip and kind of shorten these up a little bit, okay? And you want these to be as rough as possible. They don't have to be perfect. That one actually looks pretty good. This one's a little long. I'm going to snip down at it. Again, I'm purposely not trying to make it perfect, because messier is better when you are ghillie crafting. See, this one is way, way too long. See how much this comes out? I'm just gonna snip it at an angle, just like so. So we have a few different techniques here. In my opinion, I like the bow technique. I think that this is the most natural looking, but I do like mixing up the floral technique and getting these little buds kind of in between there as well, because this really does just create a macro pattern at the end of the day. And then obviously the BB one here is more so for beginners. If they're having issues with clamping down the ghillie crafting material to the suit by just pinching the bottom and twisting it, you can just place a BB in there as well, and it will securely fasten a little easier than just clamping the bottom of a bud or doing the bow technique, even though the bow technique is actually pretty straightforward and simple. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to apply ghillie mesh to your suit or to rifle wrap.